Hi guys, good morning. I'm Sonia and you're watching me live from the CNBC TV 18 newsroom here in Mumbai. What a chaotic day it's been for the markets. In fact, the last couple of days have been quite intense. The Sensex has fallen 1,000 points in less than 2 trading sessions after the government's demonetization scheme. Now, the fear is that of course, we have seen a huge crunch down in demand. There's virtually nobody in the shops, on the streets, at the retail, trade has fallen, demand has slipped for a lot of consumer durables, and that impact is what you are seeing in the markets today as well. Case in point, names like Asian Paints, Ultratech Cement, Maruti, Eicher Motors. Of course, at a time when there's such a big cash crunch, people are not going to go ahead and buy cars or bikes. They're not going to paint their homes. And the expectation is that up until this cash crunch lasts, there's going to be a scale down in terms of earnings as well for many of these companies. Apart from that, Tata Motors is your big loser on the back of very disappointing earnings from the company this quarter. Both Jaguar Land Rover as well as its standalone business has disappointed. In fact, the standalone business losses have doubled for the company year on year, while even for the Jaguar Land Rover business, the margins have slipped quite a bit compared to what they did same time last year. These are a couple of stocks that have been under pressure. On the flip side though, banks are really making sure that the Nifty does not slip below the 8150 mark. You have Bank of Baroda, SBI, ICICI Bank all doing well. Bank of Baroda in fact had a decent set of numbers this quarter as well. And that is the only pocket that's really supporting the market today. Apart from that, most people believe that there are further cuts to go in the consumer durable sector. Remember, the consumption story could get impacted at least for the next 15 days until there is more clarity on the new 500 rupee notes, on the availability of 100 rupees and 50 rupee notes as well. So you are seeing a lot of these sectors get impacted. In the broader markets, it's NBFCs which are really under pressure because there are risks of more defaults, there are risks of lower disbursement growth. So names like Ujjivan, SKS Micro, the Bharat Financial Inclusion as it is called now, or a couple of others like M&M Finance, Bajaj Finance, all getting thrashed in trade. So no positive news to report today, just that the bulls are under attack by the bears, and this round has been clearly won by the bears. But more updates on the markets in a while from now. Till then, keep watching CNBC TV 18.